Hello everyone, this is Sanjay Rathi and welcome to Daily Ka Dose series. Today we are going to discuss this particular question जो मैंने आप लोगों को दिया था एज असाइनमेंट. ओके, हमने डिस्कस किया था कि कैसे जज करना है कि वेदर द ट्रांजिस्टर इज इन एक्टिव रीजन और कट ऑफ रीजन और व्हाट इन सैचुरेशन रीजन. ओके, ऑलरेडी आई हैव सॉल्व्ड वन क्वेश्चन. नाउ दिस इज द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. अब हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे इसे. जब तक आप आंसर दीजिए कमेंट्स बॉक्स में व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन गाइस. तो यहां पर क्वेश्चन क्या आएगा मैं आपको बता दूं. तो क्वेश्चन ऐसा आ सकता है, फाइंड IC that is called collector current for beta is equal to 50, VB is equal to 0.7, right, volt. That is the beta is what, 50, and VB is equal to what, 0.7 volt, or VCC that is what, 10 volt. VCC 10 volt. और भी नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस बन सकते हैं, ये एक MSQ भी बन सकता है. तो अगले 10 मिनट में वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस न्यूमेरिकल. ओके, तो आप भी बनाइए और देखिए क्या क्या क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर व्हेन वी हैव टू फाइंड द IC और समथिंग एल्स, check this one whether what about this junction, because that is positive value, therefore this will provide the positive value here. There is no other battery, that's why it will provide the positive value. That's why it is not in cutoff, right? That transistor is not in cutoff. तो आप और भी कैसे जज कर सकते हो. सपोज इट इज इन cutoff, तो what is the value of the IC? 0. What is the value of the IB? 0. So what is the current here? 0. This current is what, IC plus IB, that will become 0 because it is in cutoff. तो यहां 10 वोल्ट है, there is no drop across this resistor. So what is the voltage at this point? 10 volt. And what is the current here? 0. This is the IC plus IB. This is also 0. So all the currents are 0, and that's why the voltage is 10 volt, and that is greater than what, 0.7 volt. Means what about the NPN transistor? Emitter junction is forward bias, therefore BJT is not in cutoff. तो आप एज्यूम कर सकते हो लेट BJT is in cutoff, लेकिन यहां प्रूफ हो गया कि यहां जो वैल्यू आ रही है दैट इज ग्रेटर देन 0.7, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दिस जंक्शन इज फॉरवर्ड बायस एंड BJT इज नॉट इन कटऑफ. तो कट ऑफ का तरीका यह है, सब करंट 0 कर लो और इस पॉइंट पर वोल्टेज देख लो. एमीटर 0 पे है, बेस 10 वोल्ट पे है, मतलब बेस एमीटर जंक्शन इज फॉरवर्ड बायस. P इज पॉजिटिव, N इज नेगेटिव. फिर आते हैं दूसरी बात पर. अब आते हैं कि फिर ये किस में है. तो अब देखते हैं, सब करंट का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर लीजिए. अब सेकंड, नॉर्मली हम लोग एज्यूम करते हैं कि लेट द BJT इज इन व्हाट, एक्टिव रीजन. लेट BJT इन एक्टिव रीजन, इज इन एक्टिव रीजन. अब आपने एक्टिव रीजन एज्यूम कर लिया, तो IC इज इक्वल टू बीटा IB. तो IC प्लस IB इज इक्वल टू 1 plus beta times of IB. Always remember, right? What is the beta? 50. So directly you can write IC plus IB is equal to 51 times of IB. Now what is the current distribution? Always start from this. This is the IC, this is the IB. So what is the current here? IC plus IB. And what is the current here? IC plus IB. This IB and this IC. Then IC plus IB you can write, because you are assuming it is in active region, you can write 51 times of IB. So what is this? 51 times of IB, right? Now just to find, because we have no idea about the VC, write down the KVL from this point to this point. If you want to find, and write down the KVL from this side to this side. Is it visible? तो यहां से अगर आप लिखते हो KVL, तो क्या लिखेंगे जरा देखिए. This is the 10 volt. This is the 10 volt is equal to 51 times of IB. 51 IB into 1 plus 10 times of IB. This is the 10 into IB plus VB, that is the 0.7 volt. VB is 0.7 volt plus 51 times of IB into 1, that is the 51 times of IB. अब आप यहां से IB निकाल सकते हो. IB is equal to हो गया 10 minus 0.7 upon, अब देखिए 51 plus 51 102, और ये हो गया 10 112. चेक माई कैलकुलेशन, जस्ट आई एम गिविंग यू द मेथड हियर. तो ये आ गया 9.3 डिवाइडेड बाई 112. and that is the value 0.083. 0.083 milliampere because it is in kilo ohm. Now, what is the value of the IC? Beta times of IB, that is the 50 times of that into 50, and that answer is what? 4.15. 4.15 milliampere. Now you can give this value. 4.15 milliampere is the answer for this question, guys. But remember, before giving the answer, you have to check whether this transistor is in active region because it is our assumptions. Now, just to check, what you can write, you have to find what VC. You have to find VCE. To write down the KVL from this point to this point. So I am going to write the KVL from this point to this point. So what is the value of VCE now? Then just write down the KVL, that is the 10 volt, 51 times of IB. This is the VCC, then what? 51 times of IB plus 1 times of IC, because IC plus IB is what? 51, plus 1 time of IC, right? 1 multiplied here, 1 multiplied here, plus VC, we have to find the VC, plus what? Again 51 times of IB, this one, 51 times of IB. Now guys, what is the VCE? VCE is equal to 10 minus 51 plus 51, 102, and what is the IC here? 102 times of IB minus IC. What is the IC? Beta times of IB, 50 times of IB. So you can write the VCE is equal to 10 minus 152 times of IB. What was the value of the IB? IB was 0.083. Now you can put here 152 into 0.083, guys. So यहाँ से what is the value of the VC? 152 into 0.083 minus 10, that is what you are going to get the answer, minus 2.616. Minus 2.616, guys, volt. Is it possible? Not possible. Why? Because what is the lowest value of that? VC set. So this is less than what VC set. What is the VC set for silicon transistor? 0.2 volt. So VC set is less than 0. This is the equal to what? 0.2 volt. Or sometimes we are assuming ideal condition 0 volt if it is not given in the question. But it is less than that, negative. Negative value is not possible. Means BJT is not in active region. That our assumptions is wrong, guys. And that's why this answer is wrong. If you are going to give this answer, that is the wrong answer. Now, so what is the answer here? BJT is in saturation. So you have to put this value, VC is set. Right? And this value will become VB is set. Now, this current is IC. This current is IB. This current is what? IC plus IB. This current is IC plus IB. Now guys, remember, you can't write IC is equal to what? Beta IB, because it is not valid. It is in saturation. Now, if it is in saturation, then how we can find? You have to write the KVL from this point to this point, and you have to write the KVL from this point to this point. We are going to get the two equations. So what is the VCC? 10 volt is equal to, I am going to write the KVL, 10 volt is equal to IC plus IB into 1. So I am directly writing IC plus IB plus 10 times of IB plus VB set. So normally what is the value of the VB set? It is given in the question, or in recent question it is 0.7 volt. In some books it is given as 0.8 volt. You can put the 0.7 volt. This is the VB set plus 1 times of what? IC plus IB. यहाँ ध्यान देना, मैं यहाँ पर 1 प्लस बीटा नहीं लिख रहा हूं, मैं IC प्लस IB लिख रहा हूं. तो आप जब इस इक्वेशन को ऐड करोगे तो देखिए 1 2 टाइम्स ऑफ IC प्लस 10 11 12 टाइम्स ऑफ IB, और ये 0.7 इधर माइनस कर दीजिए तो आपके पास इक्वेशन आ गई 9.3. ये हो गई आपकी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. अब दो अननोन है IC एंड IB, तो आप दूसरी इक्वेशन लिखेंगे. What is the second equation, guys, here? What is the second equation here? KVL from this point to this point to this point. KVL from this side to this side एंड अगेन, राइट। अब देखिए केवीएल क्या लिखते हो आप जरा, सेकंड केवीएल 10 इज इक्वल टू अगेन IC प्लस IB into 1 and just 1 plus 10 times of IB. Already I have written that. Okay, that equation is written. Now second equation. Second equation यहां से आएगी, ये ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, तो अब यहां से आएगी सेकेंड इक्वेशन गाइस। मैं अभी बता देता हूं सेकेंड इक्वेशन कहां से आएगी। यस, ये आएगी सेकेंड इक्वेशन, because already I have written the KVL in this loop. Now this is the KVL. And what is the value of the VCE set? 0.2 volt. Then you can write like this, 10, this is the 10 is equal to IC plus IB, IC plus IB into 1 plus IC into 1 plus VCE set. What is the value of the VCE set? 0.2 volt plus IC plus IB again into 1 from this point to this point. Now you will get 1, 2, 3, this will become 9.8, 3 times of IC, 1, 2, 3 plus 2 times of IB. This is the second equation guys. This is the second equation now, and you have to find what IC. Then what you can do, multiply the second equation by what? 6. So it will become 6 into 9.8. Watch this. When I am going to multiply 9.8 into 6, that will become 58.8. 58.8 is equal to 6 into 3, 18 IC plus 12 IB. I have multiplied, this will become equation number 3. This is multiplied with the 6. Now 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1. So what is the 3 minus 1? Minus 9.3. You will get 49.5. 49.5 is equal to 18 IC, 2 IC, that will become 16 IC plus what? This is cancel out. Now you can find what IC. What is the IC? 49.5 upon 16. So you will get IC is equal to 49.5 upon 16, and that is the answer for this question. And you will get 3.09 milliampere or 3.1 milliampere up to 2 decimal places. That is the right answer. Before we are getting this answer, that was wrong. So that is the method to solve this question. Then second one, if suppose this is the IC, if suppose it is asked, if it is in saturation, then what is the overdrive factor and what is the minimum base current required for the saturation? So first of all, you have to find what is the value of the IB. Now we have the value of IC, then you can find the IB from any equation, like from this equation or from this equation you can find, right? You can find from this equation. Okay, so you can find from this one or that one. Now 9.3, 2 IC plus 12 IB. So how you can find guys? Put the value of IC here. So what is the value of IB from this? So it will become IB is equal to 9.3 minus 2 IC, 9.3 minus 2 IC upon 12. कैलकुलेशन आपका पार्ट है, अगर थोड़ी बहुत मिस्टेक होगी तो मुझे भी इन्फॉर्म कर देना. 2 into 3.09 minus 9.3 divided by 12, you will get IB 0.26, 0.26 milliampere. This is the actual value of IB through the circuit, right? Actual value of IB through the circuit. Now, so if it is IC and IB is asked, you have the answer. But if suppose what is the minimum base current required for the saturation? Now guys, you have to find minimum base current. In previous session I have given what is the IB minimum? The value of IC set divided by beta. So already we have found this is nothing but IC set because transistor is in saturation. So 3.09 divided by 50, that will give you the minimum value of the base current. what is the 3.09 divided by 50? You will get 0.0618. 0.0618 milliampere minimum base current required for the saturation. But what is the current here? 0.26, and 0.26 is greater than what? IB minimum. Means what? Definitely the transistor is in what? Saturation. This is the minimum base current required, but what is the actual current? 0.26. So yes, already we have proved the transistor is in what? Saturation. What will be the next question? What is the overdrive factor? So overdrive factor. Overdrive factor means what is the value of IB actual and what is the minimum value required. So IB is what is the value of IB? 0.26, and what is the required? 0.0618. 0.26 divided by 0.0618. So this is called what? Overdrive factor. So is 4.21. So how much time? 4.21 times. The actual base current is 4.21 times of what? Required current. Means transistor is well in saturation. Right? Well in saturation means over saturated. Yesterday in my session I have given this diagram. Always remember this one for any particular diagram. In active region, transistor will follow. This is the curve between IB and IC. IB and IC. In active region, that is the line. Slope of this line is beta, and in saturation region, that is the line. Okay. Or at the boundary of active and saturation, that is the case. So what is the current required? This is called IB minimum. And this portion is called IC set. What was the IC set for the diagram? IC set for the diagram is 3.09 milliampere. 3.09 milliampere. This is the point. Maximum current. And what is the actually IB? 0.26. So this is the 0.26. And what is the IB minimum? IB minimum is 0.0618. This is the 0.0618. So up to this region it is in active region, and up to this region it is in what? Saturation region. So it is well in saturation, because IB is actual IB is very greater than IB minimum. So already I have explained this diagram. This is a very important concept. Always check whether it is in cutoff, active or saturation, because every marks is important. Okay. I think you have enjoyed the session. Please like the session, share the link of session, and for more, right? अगर आपको ऐसे वीडियोस और चाहिए, कॉन्सेप्ट डेवलप करना है, रटना नहीं है और एग्जाम में अगर टॉप करना है, तो स्टे ट्यून्ड विद अस. ओके, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.